In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Calendly for appointment scheduling. Calendly is a powerful tool that can streamline the process of setting up meetings and appointments, saving you and your clients a lot of time and hassle. We'll walk through every step needed to get you up and running in just a few minutes. First, let's open up a web browser and head over to calendly.com. Once you're on the home page, look towards the top right corner and click on Log In. If you already have an account, you'll be taken to a page where you can enter your email address. Go ahead and type that in and then click Continue. Next, you'll need to enter your password. After typing it in, just click Continue one more time. Now, if you're new to Calendly, remember to complete any necessary steps to verify your account and set up basic preferences. Once logged in, you should now be on Calendly's homepage, a central hub for managing your scheduling settings. Look around for the Create button and click on it. This is where things start to get exciting as you'll begin defining your scheduling rules. You'll see several event types, but for this walkthrough we'll choose one-on-one event. This is ideal for personal meetings or consultations. Once selected, you'll be prompted to name your event. Think about a descriptive name that will make sense to anyone invited, like consultation with your name. After naming the event, it's time to determine its duration. Calendly provides flexibility here, so pick a time frame that best fits the nature of your meeting, whether it's 15 minutes, an hour, or more. The next step is choosing a location for your meeting. Calendly integrates with popular services like Zoom, Google Meet, or even a traditional phone call, giving both you and your attendees options that are most convenient. Now, you'll need to set your availability. This tells Calendly when people can book time with you based on your availability and preferences. You can customize this for recurring days and times that work best for you. Following that, specify who will host the meeting or appointment. This can be crucial if multiple people are involved in your workflow. Once everything looks good, double check your settings, and when you're satisfied, click Create. Your event is now live. Calendly will generate a unique link that you can easily copy and share via email, text, or even post on social media. This link allows invitees to see your availability and book a slot that fits their schedule, all without the back and forth usually involved in arranging meetings. And there you have it. By using Calendly for appointment scheduling, you can greatly reduce the stress and time commitment associated with organizing meetings. This powerful tool helps ensure